Two rising names in wireless. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, US Mobile, famous for flexible plans and premium data. And on the right, Boost Infinite, bringing unlimited data and those tempting phone upgrades. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So, before we jump in, here's what we're going to compare. We'll look at price, network coverage, how they handle data and speed, the device perks, which is a spicy one, trust me, international features for all you global travelers, and family or multi-line options. Kinda covers everything you care about, right? Let's get started. All right, first up, price. US Mobile comes in with honestly eye-catching monthly rates, starting as low as $9 a line, and that's with taxes and fees baked right in. Plus, their price per GB is almost always better than most competitors. If you want all the extra perks, though, you'll need 3 or more lines. Now, Boost Infinite is all about keeping things simple with unlimited options and, yes, phone upgrades included if you go with their Infinite Access plan. But here's the catch. Extras like hotspot or international cost another $10 a month, and taxes and fees might sneak up on you. So if you're all about maximum savings and flexibility, US Mobile definitely comes out ahead here. Okay, network coverage. US Mobile lets you pick between Verizon and T-Mobile's networks, and you can hop between them with their teleport feature if something's not working. Pretty cool. Just a heads up, no AT&T or Dish coverage here. Now, Boost Infinite takes it a notch up by giving you all 3, AT&T, T-Mobile, or Dish, and you can change networks on certain plans whenever you want. That's wild. Only small downside? During network congestion, you might get dropped to a lower priority. Still, Boost Infinite's triple network flexibility is a pretty clear win. Let's talk data and speed. This is where everyone gets picky. US Mobile's premium plan offers up to 100 gigabytes of high-speed data, and here's the best part. Even in crowded areas, your speeds aren't slowed down. You get a whopping 50 gigabytes of hotspot data too, which, honestly, is more than most people need. But use over 100 gigabytes, and you're crawling on 2G speeds. Now, with Boost Infinite, unlimited means 30 to 50 gigabytes high speed. Then things slow down a bit, and their top plan gives you 30 gigabytes of hotspot. For heavy streamers or mobile workers, US Mobile just kind of blows it out of the water, especially in speed and hotspot allowance. Oh, wait, random fact for you. Did you know Boost Infinite actually lets you swap between AT&T, T-Mobile, and Dish networks with just a tap in their app? Seriously, it's like Pokemon switching, but with cell towers. Device perks. Okay, this is where things get fun, or frustrating, depending on what you're after. US Mobile sells unlocked devices, which is awesome, and you can spread payments across 24 months. But don't expect free phone upgrades included. Now, Boost Infinite is all about those upgrades. Their Infinite Access plans literally let you swap up for a new iPhone each year with up to $1,000 off, or a Galaxy with $800 off. Financing spreads out over 3 years. Oh, and here's something cool. It's mostly postpaid, so you pay after you use it. Ownership versus upgrade, you know? Boost Infinite definitely wins here for phone lovers. For my jet setters, let's check out international features. US Mobile actually includes free global talk and text if you snag their premium plan, plus 10 gigabytes international data. If you're on a cheaper plan, you might need to add on for full international. On the Boost Infinite side, global talk and text shows up only if you choose higher plans. And their add-on for North America Connect gives you 5 gigabytes in Mexico or Canada each month. But for the base plans, most international stuff is an extra cost. Overall, US Mobile keeps it easier and cheaper for travelers. Last up, family and multi-line. So, US Mobile straight up rewards you if you bring your squad. Discounts kick in at 3 or more lines, and you get free perks, plus those handy annual plan options if you want to pay up front and save even more. Boost Infinite? It's just the same price per line whether you've got 1 or 5. No bundles, no special deals for families or friend groups. Pretty basic. So, if group plans are your thing, US Mobile's got your back. If you chart these side by side, US Mobile kind of dominates in price, data, international, and group plans. Boost Infinite's got the upper hand in coverage flexibility and device upgrades. All right, bottom line. If you're chasing flexible plans, maybe for yourself, maybe for family, with premium data and all the global perks, US Mobile is the way to go. But if you obsess over the latest gadgets and love the idea of swapping your phone every year, Boost Infinite totally kills it. Personally, I would lean US Mobile for data, but that device perk on Boost Infinite? Kinda tempting. That's it for this showdown. Make the wireless move that works for your lifestyle. And really, take a minute to compare what matters most before you lock in a new plan for 2025.